Hi, welcome to HubSpot 101, the video series where I show you useful tips and tricks based on basic HubSpot features. And for today's video, I would like to talk about email marketing and more specifically how to perform A/B tests on your email marketing and the rules that are linked to them. So the first thing you need to understand is that we have basically two kinds of email types. First one is regular and automated. So regular is like a newsletter. So basically you create a mail and you can send it to a bunch of people one time. Automated will be like a continuously published email that will be integrated into form submission or different automation. So basically it's an email that will be sent to a lead every time this lead fills specific conditions. Both of these two types can have A/B testing, but of course, based on their different nature, we will not have the same way of working. The easiest to understand is the automated one. So for instance, we have an automatic email that gets sent after a form submission, and we have like two different versions. Let's say we change the title, for instance. One person will fill the form, he will receive test A. The second person will fill the form, he will receive test B if we put a 50% distribution. But what can be a bit more tricky is for the regular emails. Why? Because if it's a one-time sent to a already defined list of contacts, how can this A/B testing work? And we're going to see that together right now. We are on the editor of our regular email, and let's say you finish to design all the tests and settings you decide, and you can click on create A/B test. First thing, you will need to name the version. So what I do normally is new email A and new email B, for instance, and you can choose the distribution. That's really important because the test will apply to a specific percentage of your sending list. So let's say you want to perform an A/B test for 20%. What will happen is like if you have a 100 contact sending list, we send the version A to 20 leads, the version B to 20 other leads. You choose the winning metric, so open rate, click rate, or click-through rate. Let's say we want to test the open rate, so we click on open rate. We wait the number of hours we want for the test to perform, because when you send an email, of course, people don't open it like right away. We need like a time to let them receive it, open it, and take the time to read it. So you can modify the number of hours the test duration will last. So let's say 10 hours. And what will happen after 10 hours, HubSpot will automatically see which version between A and B gets the most open rate, and then send the 60 other emails with the A version. Sometimes it happens that the test is not really conclusive. So you can choose, okay, if the difference is not that big, or if we can't determine a winning version, I want the version A to be sent or the version B. You create your test and you're good to go. So what you need to understand is when you're doing A/B testing for regular emails, you will have not all the leads will receive the mail at the time you schedule it. I hope this short trip was useful. If it's the case, don't forget to put a thumbs up and to subscribe to this channel. If you want to get a deeper knowledge on how to set up and optimize HubSpot portal, you can find a link in the description below. It was Greg. I wish you a good day and see you soon.